Hi, this is Ilya from IPCTU, and today we're going to visit our key partner and vendor supplier of the 4.0 industrial solutions, Nexcom. So the representative of the company kindly allowed us to visit their showroom in order to see newest products and solutions. So let's check it out. Hi Jason.
Hi Ilya, welcome to Next IoT.
Thank you so much. So Jason is a project manager for the automation solutions, and he's going to lead us into the showroom later on in order to explain some industry 4.0 solutions. So let's check it out.
Let's go.
So what do we have here?
It's our enterprise room. We implemented this infrastructure into our Huaya Smart Factory, which are manufacturing IPC as main product. Next IoT is making Industrial 4.0 to real. We can provide vertical integration from operational technology to information technology. Yes, the TV will show you. We have 9 modules, which include MES and the ERP system, IPDM 4.0, eSafe and NK. From operational technology, we provide facility, production, and operating. Yes, if there is abnormal happen, the alarm system will go off to your top manager. And your top manager can respond to.
So how does this system make the factories more efficient or better?
I have to say we have 3 benefits. First, maximum productivity. Second, KPI management. Third, enhanced efficiency. Wherein enables to your manager can monitor and remote all information by BYOD.
BYOD, so what does it stand for?
Bring your own device. So all information is digitalized and visualized by machines, facilities, and equipment. And your manager can enable and respond production issues and recover production progress online quickly.
I see. It makes the system much more efficient, right? So do you make any steps in order to move the system forward, let other companies use it, right?
Yes, we encourage all companies should start to build smart factory. It can accelerate your company to a digital operation enterprise.
I have a question. How do all of those managers get in that data? Is it like automatical transmission, or how is it happening?
Okay, for this question, let me introduce you our IoT 2000 Cloud SCADA system. In this system, you have 3 different stages, and then you will have different devices to get data. First stage, we call the automation system, and it composed you by our controller, HMI, and the panel PC. Our controller is following the standard of industrial protocols, such as Siemens, Profinet, Profibus, Beckhoff, Ethercat, and the Rockwell Automation Ethernet IP. And then the other protocols like Modbus TCP and the Modbus RTU. Most importantly, we use Codesys. Codesys is a development environment for programming controller. Our soft PLC controller can support unlimited text, and the submotion controller supports 255 axes. And the Codesys, it also follows IEC 61131-3 and the PLC open. So using our controller can help you unify multiple control systems. For example, Codesys with AOI system integrated robot arm to pick up your material.
And now let's move on to the HMI. Is there any specific function of this HMI?
Our web HMI supports 1,000 tags with SQL and over 100 drivers, such as Siemens, Rockwell Automation, Omron, and Mitsubishi. The advantage software is including alarm management, recipe, trend, and permission. And it also supports HTML5 and JavaScript and multiple languages. Furthermore, our Web HMI provides standard OPC UA in the client to achieve IoT solution and help you speed up upgrade of smart machine.
Okay, so this is very powerful automation solution for the field applications, but there should be something, one device to collect, to extract the whole data from these two devices, right?
Correct. We have both solutions to extract data from factory devices.
Oh, so you're talking about the PLC, CNC, robot gateway, and non-protocol server, right?
Yes. First solution we call the PLC gateway. We have CPS series. It's fully integrated Modbus TCP, Modbus RTU, OPC UA, and the IoT Studio for easy deployment. We not just only provide information, live monitoring, we also extract key data from customers like prediction, maintenance, year rate of production.
Okay.
Second, CNC gateway. In manufacturing factories, it always happens different kinds of CNC machines, and it's always a difficult problem to collect those data from different brands as well. So our CNC gateway can support 4 big brand CNC machines like Helahan, Siemens, Mitsubishi, and Fanuc. They are the most popular of CNC brands.
The next one is the robot gateway, right?
Yes, the robot gateway can connect and collect robot data with robot arm.
Okay.
The robot gateway also support KUKA, ABB, Fanuc, Yaskawa as robot brands. Next, non-protocol server.
Yes.
Non-protocol server can extract data from factory device via visual signal with non-intrusive technique.
So we have reviewed some hardware over here, but I'm actually curious, how does it actually work between the IT and OT? Do you have some specific software or maybe cloud solution for this to connect these two?
Yes, we have cloud service. It's called IoT Studio. The IoT Studio is able to connect OT and IT.
Okay.
The IoT Studio is a web-based configuration tool, and it supports connectivity nodes such as MQTT, RESTful API. And we integrate field bus protocol, industrial protocol, and forward this data to cloud, such as SAP, AWS, Azure, and Siemens MySphere.
Okay, so what are the competitive features of the IoT Studio?
IoT Studio main feature includes first, drag and drop UI with field data flow.
Okay.
Second, visualize and customize dashboard for KPI manager. Next, one click to cloud. It pushes data source to cloud and to dashboard for cloud service.
Okay, Jason, thank you so much for the introduction of the hardware and software. So it looks like we have a one-stop solution for the companies which can help them to make the digital transformation in a smart manufacturing, right?
Yes, Next IoT and IP Studio have been working in this field more than 10 years. We not just sell product, we also provide service to customers. If our partner wants to have a future factory in today, join us on our venture.
Sounds amazing. So thank you so much for today's time and this interview. Thank you.
Thank you.